You can also create a report and report the points elevation in regards to a surface. So if I go to the surfaces command or tab and I go over to points to surface, it's going to ask you to select your points. So if I was to come in and pick this handful of points here and then choose the surface that I want to compare those to or list that information from, I can select, in this case, the overall surface. So this happened to be a landfill and they capped this, and we want to see what this point was in relationship to the original surface. So when you select that and you click apply, it lists the information. It shows you the northern easting of the point, the surface I'm projecting it to, the surface elevation, and the delta elevation. Now you can also click on the show report, and that will actually bring it up into a web browser that then you could print. So it gives you a little bit more better view of the report. So it shows the delta elevation, the surface, and the actual elevation of the point.